TikTok. You might have used it or heard of it because it's really famous nowadays. But if not, here's a quick intro. It's an app where you can share short videos of 60 seconds or less and people can react to it and follow your account, same as some other platform like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. But what's really fascinating about TikTok is its rapid growth. It has been downloaded more than 1.5 billion times on Play Store and have more than 800 million active users. And TikTok achieved all these milestones in mere 4 years. And even some experts believe that TikTok is future. But why? And what they really mean by TikTok is future? Let's see it briefly. Major audience of TikTok comes from India, China and USA. Now, what's weird here is that in India and USA, TikTok is famous for two really different things. Let's take USA first. American audience was seeking for a spontaneous app. I mean, Instagram is a really great app, but it feels really artificial. Like, people think a lot before posting something on it. Like, is the picture perfect? Is the editing right? So it puts up a lot of pressure on the users to put perfect post. But then TikTok hit America and people started to share videos instantly without putting some heavy edit, so it's spontaneous. In India also, TikTok was appealing because of its spontaneousness, but it changed as the trend came of making videos which take more time to make than usual ones, like transitional videos in which people change clothes on beat of the music, sometimes they even change location. So it takes a lot of work and time, so it's not spontaneous anymore. As TikTok is appealing to audience for two really different things, it gives it a slight edge. Now let's talk more generally. What's so great in TikTok? The one great thing of TikTok, which is the main reason of its success, is short video theory. And the reason of this being so appealable is decreasing attention span. Now, what attention span is? By definition, it's how much time you can focus on one thing, and it can be focused on anything from book to movie, from learning to playing, anything. As lots of things are at our fingertips thanks to technology, we have a lot of choice of what we want to do, see, or learn. And this causes our attention span to decrease, and people don't want to do or see long things. Even according to one study of Microsoft from 2000 to 2018, average human attention span decreased by 40%. You must have experienced it that sometimes you open a website and if it is buffering, you don't wait more than 5 to 10 seconds and shut it down and try another website. Because you have choice to try another website. But if you look back 10 to 20 years, high speed internet was not that common. So people had to wait. This is just one example of decreasing attention span. There are a lot more you experience in your daily life. So I hope you got good idea of what attention span is. Now, with decreasing attention span, people want to see short and fast content, which is TikTok's main quality, short and fast. Now, this thing just doesn't attract more users, but also help TikTok to improve their app. Because if you spend 1 hour on YouTube, you'd probably see 5 to 8 videos. But if you spend 1 hour on TikTok, you can see up to 100 videos, which means more engagement. More engagement means better algorithm. Better algorithm means better app. For example, if you log into YouTube, YouTube would need probably 5 to 10 days to completely understand your taste of videos, like what you want to see and what you don't, to show better videos for you. But in TikTok, it won't take more than 2 to 3 days, sometimes even faster. But lots of people think that TikTok is similar to Vines, and Vines died, so TikTok might as well die. But instead, experts believe that TikTok is future. Why? First, Vine was an app almost similar to TikTok. It was launched in 2013 and got really famous, but somehow it was shut down in 2016. But that doesn't mean that TikTok will also die, because Vines had some major flaws that TikTok don't. Like, Vines were really famous, but it didn't have any major source of income, like no ads, really few sponsorships. So it is good for consumers, but not good for creators. So eventually it got short on money. Another flaw was that it had really short content. I mean, I said short is good, but it was too short. Like, it had the maximum video length of 6 seconds. and their famous mind creators like Zach King, Logan Paul, Amanda Cerny, they needed a little more time to make their content more fun. So they shifted to Instagram as it launched its story feature where you can post videos up to 15 seconds. But if we see TikTok, it has almost perfect moderate of video length. It is neither too long nor too short. But I'm not saying that TikTok can never die because lots of famous apps and sites get suddenly vanished, like Yahoo. It was really famous, but now hardly anyone uses it. So, by experts saying TikTok is future, they don't really mean TikTok app. They mean TikTok style. It means short videos on any platform. And it has already started, as lots of famous YouTubers are changing their style by shrinking the length of their videos, and we are seeing that movies are also getting shorter. Now the question is it good or bad? Actually both, as short videos have less chance of being boring, but on other hand, it's really easy to tell a story in long video than short video. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any suggestion regarding this video or this channel, comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you next week.